Hello tubes, this is going to be an unboxing video of this mechanics roller seat, 250 pound capacity. I hope I don't weigh that much. Got this Harbor Freight today at their Memorial Day sale. They had 25% off any of mechanics seat or creeper on their latest ad or flyer, whatever you want to call them. So I'm gonna, because I'm getting up there in age, I'm getting kind of tired of kneeling down. I'm gonna start sitting down on this when I work on these lawnmowers. This is an unboxing. So let's see just what it comes with. It has a PVC tray, some 2-inch casters, foam cushion seat with a wipe clean surface and a durable steel frame. So I'll let you see this. There's the item number, I believe, there, or is it that one? I don't remember. Anyway, there's the SKU right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and put it together. So what you get is your seat, your casters, and some parts of it, and owner's manual. So you put it together. I suppose there's some bolts in there and screws. So it's pretty simple. So this is going to be a showing you how to put it together video, but I'll cut back in when I'm done. Well, tubes, I got this little cart or rolling seat put together. Just a word to make it easier for you if you get one of these. Put the seat on to these first, before you put the plastic on, this tray on. It makes it a lot easier. Also, if you put this upside down, it won't. If you put these bars upside down, it won't fit right. I did that. And so now let's see. Oh, yeah, this is kind of nice. Just the right height to when you're working on a lawnmower. See here, or working on a car or something, or a riding lawnmower. Only time will tell how long it lasts. Got a nice little meaty tray to put stuff in. So this is just what I've been looking for, because kneeling down to, squatting while working on lawnmowers is not fun. So next time, tubes, see you later. Hey, tubes, this is exactly how much I paid for that little seat. They have running a 25% off mechanics seat or creeper in their latest flyer. I think it's for for June. Got a free tarp, punch set, which I really needed yesterday. I was fixing a recoil and I ended up using a 1/4-inch socket extension, which is not the right thing to do, but yeah, it worked. But now I got the right tool. Wire brush, retractable dog leash for my dog, and a USB light, a USB charger with integrated light in it. My charger for my iPhone died, so out the door it was $40.61 including tax. So there, you give you an idea. I think it's a good deal. Save your knees. See ya, tubes.